Yes, my people, good day. This is a line wrench. Anytime you're working with brake lines, always use a line wrench. Do not use a regular wrench. So we are breaking it loose. I have a wrench on the bottom and then a line wrench on the top. When you break them loose, sometimes it is tight to turn. After you break it loose, it should be fairly loose. So I spray a little PB blaster on it and just loosen it up some. It makes it easy to keep on working. So I'm just loosening it up the rest of the way. And then now I switch wrenches. When it's now loose, I use a regular wrench because it's easiest to work. Say hello to my handy dandy drain pan. Now I am coming down to where it is connected to the caliper. Just removing the old brake line here. Use a regular wrench at this end because it's a larger nut. Now I'm installing the new brake line, threading it in carefully because we don't want to cross thread anything, and then tighten it up with a regular wrench again. You don't have to use a line wrench here because that's like a regular nut. Then we are going to proceed to start connecting the upper portion. This washer came off the old brake hose, so I took it off, put it on the new one. It's designed to work like that, so I'm keeping it like that. And then finishing, tightening everything up, and now time to bleed. We're doing the bleeding process now, so we start from the furthest wheel from the brake master cylinder. The master cylinder is located on the left front, so we're starting on the right rear, and then we work our way closer to the master cylinder. When I'm doing my bleeding, I have somebody pump the brakes. All right, pump it up for me. So they're pumping it, pushing it all the way down, releasing it all the way and pushing it all the way down, maybe about 3 times. All right, hold it, and then when they hold it now, you crack it loose. Not much came out. There needs to be more coming out, so there's air in line. Pump it up. I hold it. Some more came out this time. Keep going. Pump it. Hold it. I think that's all we're going to get out of it now. All right. Rest. We get the air out the system. So we have nice new brake hoses here and no tears or anything. So that's how it should look. So yes, my people, that's how I do my bleeding here. Just go around from wheel to wheel, starting from the furthest, getting closest to the master cylinder, and then that's how you get the air out. All right? Have a nice day. Bless.